Hey guys, thanks for stopping in. Today I'm going to review some Snap's Mushroom Bites from the Dollar Tree. So these were $1. These are fresh diced mushrooms and creamy mozzarella nestled in a golden crispy breading. And they actually have toaster oven instructions on the back. Preheat oven to 350 degrees, bake for 6 to 8 minutes, flip over and bake for an additional 5 to 7 minutes. I think I can handle that. So let me do that and we'll try them out and I'll tell you if they're So these have 120 calories per serving, 4 servings per container, so about 480 calories in this box. So let's see what they look like here. Well, there they are. We'll get the toaster oven warming up and we'll get them in there. Okay, I'll get these cooked, then I'll try them and let you guys know if they're even worth bothering with. It's been about 15 minutes and I flipped them over halfway through. I think that looks pretty good. Alright, let's try one of these and see if it's any good. Yuck. This is disgusting. There's what they look like on the inside. The mushrooms are all slimy. I don't even really taste any cheese. The flavor's kind of disgusting, actually. It's slimy tasting. The flavor's bad. I would say do not even waste your money on these. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time.